Hello and welcome to everyone. I'm going to teach you how to post a shop in Facebook. So let's begin. It's pretty simple. First we open Facebook, of course, and we click here in the search bar and we look for any kind of shop that we are looking for. For example, it can be video editor. So we type in video editor, and what we need to do is to go to groups. I highly recommend you to go to the groups and to search for a group that has 5 to 10k members. It doesn't have to be a lot of members, but it doesn't have to be too little members. So we just apply to the group. The leaders of the group are going to ask a few questions for us to know if we qualify for the group. So we just simply respond here. For example, in this case, they like to know what kind of job I can do, if I accept all the rules of the group, and that will be all. And once we are in the group, it's pretty simple. The thing we need to do is to just do a post. We just right here in the group, we have this option to write something. We click right here and we already do the post. We can, for example, put I'm looking for a video editor job and have a little experience or no experience. It's pretty simple. So we just type in, and I highly recommend you to search for a good niche. That is the most important thing. But that's all we need to do. We need to go to the groups, on the Facebook groups, and apply to the Facebook groups and just do the post. So thank you very much. Comment and subscribe.